Ever faced issues with your motherboard and didn't know how to troubleshoot them? Well, you're not alone. Understanding the intricacies of a motherboard can be a challenge, but fear not. We're here to demystify it for you. Firstly, if you encounter no power or boot failure, start by checking the power connections. Make sure the motherboard is receiving power from the PSU. If you're still encountering issues, test your PSU or inspect your motherboard for any physical damage. Experiencing random freezing or crashing? This could be an indicator of outdated drivers or BIOS. Take the time to update them. Overheating can also lead to instability, so keep an eye on your system temperatures. Sometimes faulty RAM could be the culprit. Run a memory diagnostic tool to check for errors. If your system fails the power on self-test, also known as POST, it's time to reset the CMOS. Check the compatibility of your CPU and RAM with the motherboard and inspect for any physical damage. Moving on to peripheral connectivity issues, check all of your connections and update your drivers accordingly. Test your peripherals on another system to verify their functionality. When it comes to display output, check your GPU and monitor connections. Try testing with integrated graphics and verify your monitor's functionality. For BIOS or UEFI issues, update your BIOS or UEFI firmware by visiting the motherboard manufacturer's website. Clear your CMOS and check for compatibility with any recent hardware changes or upgrades. Intermittent problems can often be traced back to loose connections, so give them a thorough inspection. Test your components individually and check for environmental factors that may be causing issues. Finally, if you hear beeping or receive error codes, refer to your motherboard manual and reseat your components. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to seek assistance from a professional technician or contact the manufacturer. In summary, troubleshooting a motherboard involves checking power connections, updating drivers and BIOS, monitoring system temperatures, testing RAM, clearing the CMOS, checking hardware compatibility, and inspecting for physical damage. It's a step-by-step process that requires patience and attention to detail. But don't worry, with these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming a troubleshooting pro.